Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to change the wash time on a washing machine. And these will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see right here, this is my washing machine, and basically I'm going to show you and tell you how to change the wash time. So if you want to make the wash time more or less, this is the video for you. It's really easy to do. Now, most washing machines are not going to allow you to just directly adjust the wash time by itself. So most washing machines are not going to just have a button that says more time or less time. If they do, then there's their answer. You can just push more time or less time. But chances are, if you're watching this, you probably don't know exactly how to do it. So this is how you can do it on a machine that has sort of these options. So even if your washing machine is slightly different, as long as it has different cycle options and different options for the cycle that you're on, you can sort of adjust them to adjust the wash time. So basically, you can see it's on a cycle right now, and it's 53 minutes of wash time, okay? When I change the cycle, okay, to the other one, an hour and 20, okay, an hour 44, 58 minutes, an hour and 5, and so on and so forth, okay? So those are basically the different cycles. And as you go through the various wash cycles, okay, they have different times, just as you saw right over there. We can go to the other side too, over here. 28 minutes, it's a quick one. 48 minutes, 46, an hour and 1, 28, and so on and so forth, okay? Now, be sure that when you are choosing your wash cycle, that it matches what you want. So meaning, if you're just washing normal stuff, then you can choose normal, okay? If you're washing some heavy duty stuff, go for heavy duty. You're washing whites, go for whites. You're washing towels, do towels. Bulky items, do bulky, okay? Wrinkle control, that's an option. It all depends. Delicates, there are various options. But basically, you want to choose the cycle that matches what you put in there. So I wouldn't recommend choosing a different cycle that doesn't match what you would put in there just to sort of change the wash time, okay? You can have a couple of options. So like, let's say I threw in a certain type of clothing, there might be 3 or 4 cycles that work for that clothing, okay? And essentially, I can choose any of those 3 or 4 cycles that work for that clothing. So you can go through the options that work for what you put in there, and then choose the cycle, okay, that gives you the time that you want and also matches what you put in there, okay? So that's the first way, is by choosing the various wash cycles. That's how you adjust the wash time, okay? And I do have to apologize before, I don't know if you heard it, but I let out a very quick burp. I do apologize. I'm filming this relatively late at night, and I had a little bit of a late night snack. I had some cookies and milk before I filmed a few videos tonight, and it caused me to burp. I do apologize. I'm sorry, excuse me, okay? Excuse me. I excuse myself, and yeah, we're moving on because I'm a well-mannered person, so I had to let you know. But anyways, we are moving on. So now when you've chosen your cycle, okay, you can choose the other options within the cycle that will affect the wash time. So on this one, and yours might be different, it might have different options, but on this one we have a deep fill option. If I push that and I turn it to medium, you can see it goes up to 56 minutes. If I put it to high, it goes to an hour and 1 minute. And if I put it back to auto, it's gonna go back down to 53 minutes, okay? Another option is soil level, and you can change the soil level. I can put it to like extra heavy, let's say, and it goes up to 59 minutes, okay? But once again, with soil level, I'm just gonna put it back to normal. So normal should go back to what it was before. Yeah, normal is 53 minutes, what it was before. Essentially with soil level, you wanna make sure it matches what you put in there. So once again, if I'm putting in a relatively normal amount of clothing, I can probably go, like if I'm putting in what I would consider normal, I can go basically to like, if it's slightly more, I can go to heavy, right? If it's slightly less, I can go to light. Right? If it's literally smack dab in the middle, I would obviously go to normal. But you have a little bit of play in terms of like, if your load is just a little bit heavier than you're used to, then you can go to heavy, right? And if your load is just a little bit lighter than you're used to, right, you can go to light. So that will affect the wash time slightly, and you know, you can sort of use your judgment and pick something that matches roughly the amount of clothing that you're putting in there. So make sure your soil level that you choose matches the clothing that you're putting in there, but you got a little bit of leeway in terms of, like, when it says normal, you have like a range. When it says heavy, you have a range. When it says light, you have a range. And certain amounts of clothing fall within, you know, like the ranges of 2 different cycles. So if you're like on the slightly heavier side of normal, then you can choose normal or heavy. They kind of both work. And if you're on the slightly lighter side of a normal range, you can choose normal or light. They both work. So use the one that matches the clothing amount that you put in, but also, you know, that also gives you the time that you want, that adjusts the time in the way that you want. Okay? The other thing I'm going to show you is extra rinse. So right now it's 53 minutes. If I turn the extra rinse on, it's going to go to 1 hour and 4 minutes, so it added some time. If I turn the extra rinse off again, it's going to go back down to 53 minutes. So essentially, those are the options that affect the cycle that you've chosen. Excuse me, I got a little bit of a cough as well. I'm trying to just work through it, so I do apologize. I'm going to clear my throat. Give me 1 second. Okay, there we go. Perfect. We got it out. We can keep talking. Anyways, like I said, I'm a well-mannered person, so I have to excuse myself. Anyways, choose a cycle that works for you and what you're putting into the washing machine and also gives you a good amount of time that you like. And then choose the options for the cycle that also match what you're putting into the washing machine that you're okay with, and that also adjust the time in a way that you like. Okay? And that's basically it. That is how you change the wash time on a washing machine. Super easy instructions, an easy tutorial. And I sort of explained it, and I showed you exactly how to do it. And yeah, I got nothing else to say for this video, so we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.